Hey guys, this is Morgan Gill with Kinetic. This video is intended to help walk you through all the various updates that we've recently implemented specifically to the styling of the application. When you sign into the application, you're still taken to your project management overview page, so this process is obviously still familiar to you. But you're going to notice a few things just right off the bat. The first is that prior to even clicking on a project, you're going to notice three important graphs. The first one to your left is showing you your schedule items based off of your 8 projects by descending finish date. It'll show you your open schedule items and then those that are past due and the project that it's related to by putting my cursor over it. The next one is deficiency items, and it's going to show you kind of where your deficiencies are sitting in the queue, if they've been identified or if they've been authorized by your DIRT project manager. And then the items to the right are showing you your task items, those that are open and those that are past due. A couple other things is that when I actually click on a project, you'll notice that I now have different graphs that react particular to that project. The one to the left is your installation progress, so based off of your estimated hours and your actual hours logged to date. In the center, you're going to notice schedule items, so those that are open, closed, and past due. And then the right, you're going to notice your billables and deficiencies. Again, all of these are relating to the particular project that I just selected. When I double click on this project, the first thing that I hope you guys notice is that we helped with those pesky tabs that we heard was a pain point to our users. So you'll notice that you now just have one single row of tabs versus 2, which is what you used to see. We moved that first row of tabs up to the top of this black bar. And so it's just a little bit easier view, a little easier on the eyes. And so if I click around, again, you'll notice that if you don't see a lot of those tabs anymore, which is great. The next thing I want to point out is that you're going to see throughout the application these primary action buttons. So for instance, save is lime green, but also kind of this designate final quote is also lime green. We again heard from you guys that those grayed out buttons were a bit difficult to see. So we wanted to help our users out and be sure to kind of show them in a bright color for you. I'd like to point out our latest schedule update on the Gantt graph. Now this is one of 2 updates. So the first thing I'd like to point out are these red and green flags. Now what these are calling out for you is your past due items, which is pretty crucial to know what you're past due on your schedule details. Now if I scroll down, you'll see again this is the first iteration of the Gantt graph. If I hold my cursor over, you'll see that I can see not only the specific item that I'm looking at, but also the particular duration. So again, guys, this is just the first of many updates on the Gantt graph, as well as throughout the application. We continue to implement updates per your feedback. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us directly, either myself at morgan.gill@kineticcloud.com or info@kineticcloud.com. And please feel free to continue to use the feedback tab, which is found on the right side of your screen. This is where we receive, obviously, all of your feedback items and how we make continuous updates and changes to make the application more efficient for you. Thank you for your time, and have a great week.